Hi guys, this is Merly and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be harvesting my spring planted garlic. Your garlic is ready whenever the bottom 3 leaves have died down. In some cases, the bottom leaf is already brown and the second and the third leaves from the bottom have turned yellow. This garlic was planted in the early spring and I have a video on it if you would like to see that. I would love to have a longer period of time for this to grow and mature. So if you think about it, this has been growing for a little bit over 3 months. It has been so hot here over the past few days. We are having a heat wave and this is day 5. And even if I kept my garlic watered early in the morning, the leaves have started to die off. And yesterday I checked the soil temperature and it was really hot. So I think I should have moved this somewhere else, like in the shade, or maybe covered it, but that is fine. I'll just harvest this so that I can plant some new things in this raised bed. Let's start on this side of the bed. I used potting soil in this raised bed so it's easy to pull the garlic. See, this one is a little bit in the smaller side and that is typical for a spring planted garlic. Let's get this one. Here we go. A little bit bigger. Look at all that roots. That's really cool. Now we're gonna be harvesting the middle part of this raised bed. I can use this raised bed to plant my second batch of carrots. Or maybe some radishes. I actually like planting in a raised bed garden fabric like this because it's very easy to manage. It's very easy to harvest too. These are the garlic heads that I have harvested today. This one in here is actually a good size. Some of them are small, and as I've said, that is typical for a spring planted garlic. This is actually not bad for a 3 months worth of growth, because if you think about it, I didn't have a lot of plants when I started planting my garlic, and so that's a good use of the space. One thing that I have learned from growing my garlic in this fabric raised bed is that water evaporates a little bit faster than the other containers. So you either have to give this some shade when the days are very, very hot, or be consistent in watering. Also, except for a few of these garlic heads, the garlic heads are small, and many of them have not developed the cloves yet because they didn't have time to develop the cloves. But this is definitely a lot bigger than when I started with those little garlic cloves, and this would be good for making minced garlic. If you want some bigger garlic, you should be planting the garlic in the fall before your first frost. And I have some garlic plants that are behind me over there. Those are bigger, and because they were planted in the fall. But again, this is not bad for a day's harvest. If you enjoyed this video, click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and see you next time!